Hey guys, it's Rob. Today we're doing something just a little bit different. Normally on this channel you guys see me, we're doing some worship, we're playing music, something like that. But today I have my son's older car here. Bought this for him when he turned 16. And it was a really nice find. You guys will see what it is here in just a second. But he said he got in it the other day. He was able to use this car, and he drove it for I don't know how many years, a couple years anyway, till he bought another car after he's been working. And so he's let this one sit in the yard for just a little while. And the other day he got in it and he said he turned on the air conditioning, it blew a bunch of dust and smelled really weird, and he said he turned it off, and he said, I just haven't drove it since then. So today I'm just going to dig into it and see what's going on with the AC. But I want to show you guys the car real quick. So this is a 1992 Cutlass Supreme 4-door. And I cannot find this car online anywhere as far as like how to get to the air conditioner blower motor, what's going on with any issues we've had. Just cannot find the car anywhere at all. It's a really nice car. It only had 60,000 miles on it when it was purchased. He's put, I'm gonna guess probably 25,000 on it, or maybe 30. So it's probably close to 90,000 right now, I'm guessing. But as you can see, I had to dig down inside of here. It's going to get kind of dark here in a second. Let me turn this light on. You can see. Down in here is where the blower motor is. And then look way up inside of here. You can see that's where the blower motor goes. Now, what issue that we had, you can see that it's kind of hard to see up in there, but right, that's where the blower motor goes. There's 3 screws that holds it up in there. And all this stuff that you're seeing, this is what was in it. It was, let me show you what something had made a nest. And this is what come out of it. So if you guys are having an issue with what was going on with it was like I say, he came in and he said it's just blowing dirt and it sounds really weird. So I just turned it off and didn't use it anymore. So if you're having that issue with your air conditioner, your blower motor in your car, this could be it. I don't know what was making the nest in here, but we got a bunch of dead grass. So I'm gonna get this stuff cleaned up, clean up the car a little bit on the inside, and I will check out the AC and let you guys know how it done. Alright, I got the blower motor back in. I want to show you guys what it looks like when it's in. We'll test it out here. Bring the light down here, you can see it better, guys. This takes a 7mm to get these bolts out. But right there's the blower motor for the AC and the heat. There's your electric fitting there, your connection. You have these 3 bolts to take out. You can't even see them. There's one back there, one over here, and then one behind this panel here. Take out the hardest one first. I found that to be the one in the very back that you can't see from right here. This one right here is the easiest one to get to. I'd recommend taking it out last. And then take the more difficult ones. There's one. I would take this one out second. I would do the back one first, this one second, and then the one's easiest to get to right there third. And then when you put it back in, do the opposite order. Do this one first, this one second, and then the hardest one last. So they'll be lined up right. All right, so let's test it out and see if see how it's gonna blow. All right, guys, I pulled the car out just so it wouldn't be in the garage running. Let's test out that AC. All right, got it on. You can hear it. It's pumping out some really cold air. Fan is working just fine. You can probably hear it now. This is completely low. You can barely hear it. Before it was roaring really loudly. Now you just hear the air coming through the vents. Say this thing only has, let it focus in here, it only has about 93,000 miles on it. So where we at? Right there. Yep, 93,000. So it's been a good car for him. I might start driving this one back and forth to work. Runs good. He's put a lot into this car, and so he was working out the other day, and like I say, it got a little bit hot. Turned the AC on. He said it blew out a bunch of dust and whatever. Of course, you guys saw what was in it. Of course, you guys saw what was in it, and so that was it. I cannot find anything online that has anything to do with a Cutlass Supreme, at least of this year model. It's like, this is 1992, and so a lot of the work we've done on it, I didn't think about recording it. I wish I would have, but anything else we do to it, maybe I'll get the camera out, we'll record it, and hopefully share with you guys that maybe if you're having the same issues with the car similar to this. So guys, that's it for me today. Like I say, I just wanted to share with you where the blower motor was on this car. I was hoping that it wasn't going to need replaced. I thought, well, we'll just check it out and test it first. And I'm glad I did. Found all that junk inside of there from where it's been sitting. Some creature, some animal has gotten its way inside and started building a nest inside of there, and there you have it. So if you're having the same issue, if your car's been sitting out in the grass for a while, that could be it. So we'll see you guys on the next video.